Hi, I'm Loes from Lojan and I'm going to show you how to convert your Flex rigid header loom to a shaft loom. I'm going to assume you already bought the conversion kit, you assembled it, but you had a project on the rigid header loom and now you want to do a project on the shaft loom. So it's just not the assembly, but just the switch between the two models. So first you remove the reed, you loosen the two black nuts on this side to loosen the rigid header block on this side. You keep this because it's handy. And on this side you also use the knobs. You loosen them. And then you've got the 4 knobs and the 2 blocks. So you've got the rigid header blocks. You put them on the table. And maybe you want to zoom in here, Sanne. So you can see how they are on the table. And then I put the shaft block here, and it's supported now by the rigid header blocks. And that way the height of the holes here is almost the same, so it's easy to turn in these knobs here. So first on the one side, a little bit, close them later, and then on this side and below. So on this side they're steady, here they're fastened, and now I just remove these 2 blocks because I won't need these until I have a rigid header project again. So now we need the reed, which is just over here, and there are 2 holes here on both sides, and the side of the metal bracket should be in there. So on this side and on that side, and now I've got the reed in here as well, and I'm ready to weave. Well, I have to do my warping first. Bye bye!